One-day trading. This is the practice of buying and selling cryptocurrencies within the same day to take advantage of short-term price movements. 2. Swing trading. This involves holding onto a cryptocurrency for a longer period of time, waiting for market swings to potentially turn a profit. 3. Margin trading. This involves borrowing funds from a third party to increase the size of your position and potential profits. 4. Arbitrage trading. This involves taking advantage of price discrepancies between exchanges by buying low on one exchange and selling high on another. 5. Mining. Mining involves verifying and adding transaction records to a blockchain and receiving a cryptocurrency reward for doing so. 6. Staking. Staking involves holding a certain amount of a cryptocurrency to receive more of that cryptocurrency as a reward. 7. Initial coin offerings, ICOs. ICOs involve investing in new cryptocurrencies during their pre-sale phase and selling them at a higher price after the public sale.